In today's lesson, I am going to explain you profit loss using percentage. So our question is, cost is 200, profit is equal to 20%. We have to find selling price. So first of all, the profit of 200 is 20%. So we write here profit is 20% of 200, that is equal to 20 over 100 multiplied by 200. So if we simplify it, we will get 40. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So cost price we have 200 plus profit we have 40. So that is equal to 240. So that is our answer. We can also check it out. So for check it, we can do 240 minus 200. It will give us 40, which is a 20% of, that is 20% of 200. Now for sake of practice, we take another example. So here we needs to find cost and loss is 10% and the selling price we have 180. So first of all, we find loss, that is 10%. Loss, that is 10%. So selling price we have 10% minus 100%, 100% minus 10%, that is equal to 90%. So now we find out 90% of 180. 90% of 180. So first of all, we find out 1%. So 1% we have is equal to 180 divided by 90, that is equal to 2. Now we find out the 100%. So 2 times 100 is equal to 200. That is our answer. We can also check it out. We have 10% of 200. 10% of 200, cost price we have cost price minus loss, so that is equal to 200 minus 20, that is equal to 180. So our given answer is correct. We take another example. We have cost price 250, we have to find profit, and selling price is 300. So first of all, we have profit, that is selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 300 minus 250, that is equal to 50. Now we find profit in percent. Profit in percent, we have profit over cost price. So multiplied by 100, that is equal to 50 over 250 times 100. If we simplify it, we will get 20. This is our profit in percent. So that is our answer.